Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your user ID on Scrabble Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your user ID on Scrabble Go, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. The home page of Scrabble Go application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on nil gear icon at the top right side of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of Scrabble Go's account. Here you can see your Scrabble Go user ID displayed on the screen at the end of the page. This is how you can find your user ID on Scrabble Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.